Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. Today we will discuss on the coverage profile and which is also help to create the dynamic safety stock. So this is profile which will not impact your the safety stock if you are maintaining in the metal master, but it will create the additional requirement based on the requirement, and it will calculate the your daily requirement, and based on that it will be added create one safety stock, dynamic safety stock, and that will added to your proposal quantity. So whatever proposal quantity being created for your requirement, to that with that quantity, this safety stock also additional quantity added to your proposal. Okay, so let's discuss more on this coverage profile. Before we proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So in the coverage profile we have the parameter for period indicator and then to calculate the average daily average requirement, that is number of periods and type or length. Okay, so period indicator means like either you can maintain here monthly or weekly. Okay, you can maintain there. Let me show you in the SAP. So in coverage profile we are maintaining under production, and then supplier control, material requirement planning, then planning, and under planning MRP calculation. So under MRP calculation, define range of coverage profile. So here if I go, so here we can maintain here month, week, or as per planning calendar. Okay, so that we can maintain here. Okay, and here like number of periods. Suppose here I maintain month, means here I maintain 2, means 2 month. So the day on which day you will run the MRP, from there it will consider 2 month of period to calculate the dynamic safety stock. So whatever requirement within those 2 month, okay, that will being considered. So before that there is one more thing, is period length. Suppose here you can maintain work day, calendar day, standard day. So first work day. Work day means suppose here I maintain the 2 month. So within 2 month, how many working days are there? Okay, if I put the 1, and calendar day means like irrespective of your working non-working, the total how many days, okay, within that 2 months, that will consider to calculate the average daily requirement. Okay, standard day means here you will maintain the standard period. Suppose you say within this 60 month I will consider only 40 days or 30 days of standard period, then you can maintain here. So that period will consider to calculate the average daily requirement. Okay, so and then here it is target. So how many days of coverage you need, like here I have given 2, so 2 days coverage, I need 2 days of coverage. Okay, and here you can maintain the first period, second period, or and rest of horizon, because suppose whatever period you are maintaining here, suppose that is not going to cover all your requirement, because you are creating requirement for so many horizon, okay, for long horizon, then you have to maintain first period, second period, three period. So at least you can maximum you can maintain for 3 covers. Okay, here you can maintain. Okay, so if I go here, so here like I maintain 2. Okay, 2 is like this is this period, month, this period will be used to consider like how total requirement within that this period, and then it will be used to calculate the average daily requirement. So this period will be used to calculate the your average daily requirement. Okay, then whatever here you will get average daily requirement, that will be multiplied with this one, this target days, how many days of covers you have maintained. So that will come consider that will be come as your dynamic safety stock. Okay, let's go to the formula. Here sum of requirement in that period, number of period. So whatever period you have maintained, month, week, so or planning calendar, whatever period, yes, standard period you are saying, for within that period how much total, how much requirement, and that divided by the number of period. So so number of period what is coming as per your setting in the coverage profile, divided by that period. Okay, so that will come as the average daily requirement, and then that average daily requirement will be multiplied by the range of covers you maintain in the target. Okay, so that both will be multiplied, and it will give you the dynamic safety stock. Okay, then, and this is range of cover, like suppose what is stock and average use per day, that is for range of covers, and this is for the dynamic safety stock. So then after that, if I go to system, okay, here suppose I will check one material. Suppose this material, here if you look at, I have two I have the requirement 100 pieces on the February and 180 on the March. So this, if you come to here on February, 3rd February, it is coming requirement of 100, and on the March it is coming 180. Okay, so if I run MRP, so if I run MRP here, if you look at for the requirement on the February, on the 3rd February, that coming as 100, because that is in past. Okay, so this cover profile period did not considering the what is requirement on the past, means it will that days will count from the day, on the day you run the MRP, from the day you run the MRP. So I run the MRP today. So from today, if you consider the 60 days, so here we have the requirement of 180, okay, which is on the March. So that is on the 180. So now if I calculate here, so every daily requirement will be my total requirement within, as per in cover we have maintained 2 months. 2 months means 60 days, 2 months, and we have considered the calendar day. So that is 60 days for 2 months. Calendar 60 days will be calendar days. So our requirement within 2 months is 180, and whole divided by 60. So how many? 6. So 6 will be your average. So 3 will be your average daily requirement. Okay, and in dynamic safety stock we have maintained 2. Okay, so 2 will be your dynamic safety stock. Okay, 3 is your average daily requirement, and 6 will be your dynamic safety stock, because you have maintained 2 days of coverage. So per day it is saying 3 quantity as dynamic safety stock, and so for 2 days it will be 6. Okay. So if I go here, instead of 80, it is creating 186. So 6 quantity is your dynamic safety stock. Okay, So this is how the dynamic safety stock works, and this is all about the parameters of coverage profile. Okay, hope you understood the functionality of dynamic safety stock and parameter inside that profile. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.